Your body has a remarkable built-in system for healing itself from the inside out. This isn't science fiction, it is a fundamental part of our biology, working silently every single day to keep us healthy and strong. Think of it as your personal, internal repair crew, always on call to fix damage and rejuvenate your tissues. This powerful system is driven by tiny, incredible cells called stem cells. They are the master cells of your body, possessing the unique ability to transform into other types of cells that are needed for repair, making them absolutely essential for our survival and well-being. So, what exactly are these incredible stem cells? They are essentially the body's raw materials, unspecialized cells, from which all other specialized cells are generated. When you are born, you have a vast reserve of them, estimated to be around 70 million, stored safely within your bone marrow, your skin, and even your body fat. These cells lie in wait, ready to be called into action whenever and wherever they are needed. They are like a blank slate, capable of becoming a new skin cell to heal a cut, a new cell in your gut lining, or even a cell to help repair a damaged blood vessel. The process of healing is a fascinating journey for these cells. When you get an injury, like a simple paper cut on your finger, or when an internal organ needs support, your body sends out a distress signal. This signal is a chemical message that travels through your bloodstream, reaching the bone marrow where many of your stem cells reside. In response to this call for help, your body releases these stem cells into your circulation. They then travel through your blood vessels, like a dedicated team of medics rushing to an emergency scene, ready to begin their important work. Once these stem cells arrive at the site of the damage, their true magic begins. They receive instructions from the surrounding tissue, telling them what kind of cells are needed for the repair. A stem cell can then divide and differentiate, transforming into a new muscle cell, a bone cell, or whatever is required to mend the injury. This process of replenishment and regeneration happens constantly, whether you are healing from an obvious wound or simply replacing old cells throughout your body. This is how your body maintains itself, grows new hair, and even keeps your internal organs functioning properly over your entire lifetime. One of the most exciting discoveries in modern medicine is that we can actively support our body's regeneration system through the foods we eat. You do not need expensive treatments or complicated procedures to enhance your natural healing abilities. Certain foods contain special compounds that can encourage your bone marrow to release more stem cells into your bloodstream. By simply making deliberate choices at mealtime, you can increase the number of these circulating repair cells, giving your body a better chance to heal tissues, improve circulation, and maintain its overall health and vitality. A delicious example of a food that activates your stem cells is high flavonol dark chocolate. In a remarkable clinical study, a group of men who already had heart disease were asked to drink 2 cups of a special high flavonol hot cocoa every day for a month. The results were astounding. At the end of the study, the number of circulating stem cells in their blood had doubled. This increase led to measurable improvements in their blood flow and the health of their blood vessels. It shows that something as enjoyable as a cup of rich hot chocolate can be a powerful tool for your body's internal repair system. Another simple yet potent way to boost your stem cells is by drinking tea. Many types of tea have been shown to have a positive effect on the body's health defenses, but one variety stands out in studies. Earl Grey tea. This popular black tea is infused with an oil from a citrus fruit called bergamot. The combination of compounds found in both the tea leaves and the bergamot appears to be particularly effective at stimulating your body to mobilize its stem cells. Enjoying a daily cup of Earl Grey could be a simple, comforting ritual that also fortifies your natural ability to regenerate and repair from within. The power of these foods lies in their ability to work with your body's natural systems, not against them. By including things like dark chocolate, various teas, and other colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet, you provide your body with the signals it needs to ramp up its repair mechanisms. This isn't about a single miracle food, but rather about a pattern of eating that consistently supports your health defenses. Making these small, enjoyable dietary changes can have a profound impact, empowering your stem cells to do their job more effectively and helping you build a healthier, more resilient body. While food is a powerful tool, it is not the only way to enhance your body's regenerative capabilities. Two other lifestyle practices, intermittent fasting and getting deep sleep, play a crucial role in activating and supporting your stem cells. Intermittent fasting, which simply means extending the natural period you go without food overnight, can trigger a profound regenerative response. It is not about starving yourself, but about creating a specific window of time for your body to focus on cellular cleanup and repair rather than on digestion. This period of rest from food gives your body a chance to reboot its internal systems. During a fast, your body initiates a process of clearing out older, less efficient cells to make way for new ones. This cellular housekeeping stimulates your body to release fresh stem cells, effectively rejuvenating your internal repair crew. Research shows that fasting does more than just help with weight management. It can also fortify your immune system, improve the balance of your gut microbiome, and even help repair your DNA. Furthermore, it has been shown to slow down cellular aging by preserving the protective caps on our chromosomes, known as telomeres, helping your cells stay younger for longer. Just as important as resting your digestive system is resting your brain through deep, restorative sleep. During the deep stages of sleep, your brain activates a unique cleansing mechanism called the glymphatic system. You can think of this as a nightly power wash for your brain. This system works by flushing out metabolic waste and toxins that accumulate between brain cells during your waking hours. This cleanup process is absolutely vital for maintaining clear thinking, preventing brain fog, and ensuring your mind feels sharp and refreshed when you wake up in the morning. This nightly detoxification is also critical for long-term brain health and regeneration. The waste products that the glymphatic system clears away include proteins that, if allowed to build up, are linked to serious neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease. By prioritizing deep sleep, you are not just resting your mind, you are actively engaging a system that protects and repairs your brain. Ensuring you get enough quality sleep each night is a non-negotiable part of supporting your body's ability to heal, regenerate, and maintain its function for years to come. Just as certain lifestyle choices can boost your stem cells, other habits can unfortunately harm them. It is important to understand what can stun your stem cells, making them less active and less effective at their job of repairing your body. One of the biggest culprits is chronically high blood sugar. When there is too much sugar in your bloodstream over a long period, it can damage cells and create an inflammatory environment that hinders the function of your stem cells. This is why limiting your intake of sugary foods, refined carbohydrates, and sweetened drinks is crucial for preserving your body's natural healing power. Another major factor that can impair your stem cells is a diet high in unhealthy fats, which often leads to high cholesterol. When your blood contains excessive levels of bad cholesterol, it can negatively impact your circulation and the health of your blood vessels, making it harder for stem cells to travel to where they are needed. Similarly, consuming very high levels of salt can also be detrimental, putting stress on your entire cardiovascular system. Making conscious choices to avoid processed foods, fried foods, and excessive salt can help protect your stem cells and keep your internal repair system running smoothly. Excessive alcohol consumption is another habit that can put a damper on your body's regenerative processes. While small amounts of certain alcoholic beverages, like red wine, may have some health benefits, heavy or frequent drinking can be toxic to many systems in the body, including the bone marrow where many stem cells are produced and stored. Alcohol can interfere with the signaling pathways that call stem cells into action and can reduce their overall effectiveness. Moderation is key to ensuring that your lifestyle choices are supporting, not sabotaging, your body's incredible capacity for self-repair and renewal. Ultimately, you hold the power to influence your body's health and healing potential. By understanding what helps and what harms your stem cells, you can make simple, informed choices every single day that contribute to your long-term wellness. It is an empowering and hopeful message. Your body is designed to heal itself, and you can be its greatest ally. By nourishing it with wholesome foods, giving it adequate rest, and avoiding habits that cause harm, you unlock your natural ability to regenerate, stay vibrant, and heal from within. Your daily choices are a powerful investment in a healthier future.